Alright, what's up guys? This is elRaggedy here once again. So today what I'm bringing you is a little short video. I'm gonna go ahead and seafoam the little Honda Accord that we just got. So this thing, the Honda Accord has 150,000 miles. This is a 2004. You know, it's a little bit old. I don't know what the maintenance is all about with this, you know, so I don't know the history on this. All I know is just clean title. The guy just said that, you know, he did keep up with maintenance, but everyone's maintenance, it's always going to be different. So this is what I got at the Bato Zone, at your local Bato Zone, or you can go to O'Reilly's if you guys prefer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and seafoam it through here. So I'm going to get this actual I guess this vacuum line disconnected, and then that's where I'm going to feed the seafoam from. So we'll check that out. So we're going to go ahead and put like maybe a third of what's in the bottle. So I'm going to calculate as maybe that much, maybe a little more, I don't know. That's it. All right, so we put like maybe a third of it here, and then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and pretty much so next thing that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and actually unclamp this thing. So you guys can see, this is for a V6 with a 2004 Honda Accord. So I'm going to go ahead and it looks actually really simple. It's very, looks like it just loosened up real nice. So that's what I'm going to use to actually feed the seafoam right there. So hopefully this thing is just, once I turn it on, we'll just suck it right in, huh? So the car is on right now. This thing sucks it up right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you gotta be kind of gentle with this thing, because if it sucks too much, it's gonna turn off. Almost wants to die. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much turn off the car, put this hose back on, or this little vacuum hose back on, and the rest of the bottle just going to the gas tank. Now we just wait maybe a few more minutes, when we're gonna turn on the car, and this thing should just be smoking. So there you have it. Make sure you guys actually do this in a nice little open area, because it does get smoky, and you don't want to do it in a closed neighborhood where, you know, houses are all right next to each other, and then your neighbor across the street, or, you know, on the side of you can be like, hey, what's going on with your car? Hey, someone call 911. There's something burning.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Then I ran out. I didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus. I ran for.
And in reality, it's not. It's just you doing some maintenance on your car. So that right there is Seafoam for you guys. So that was on a 2004 Honda Accord EX V6 model. So if you guys don't know how to do that, or want it, or thought about it, there you go. Now you guys know how to do it. It's real simple. Just go ahead and let that juice get it sucked up by the vacuum hose, and that's it. And then from there, just you're gonna see some smoke. So just be aware of that. All right, don't panic when you see that. So other than that, that is it, guys. This is Ray elRaggedy. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, go ahead and like the video, and go ahead and subscribe as well. Other than that, peace in the Middle East, guys.